Friday, August 25th, 2023. How many times are we gonna say that today, right? Yay. This is the transmission from the Beetle, alright? Pay attention to what I'm gonna say. Before I start working on this transmission, I said, bring me all the bolts and the seals and the gaskets what has the transmission. I don't want to close it and then having a problem start leaking the transmission here and there, alright? Fortunately, they brought me this seal here, a new one, obviously. They brought me a new nut. They didn't brought me this gasket here. Back over here, it's where the gears has a gearbox oil. Here front has the hydraulic fluid to actuate the hydraulic fluid and gearbox oil. Fine, finish. I changed the rod that it had a problem before, alright. What else I did? I changed also the sensor inside, and then I changed again because the first one was not reading. One gear was frozen, alright. I didn't get a new gasket for here, I didn't get a new gasket for here, and obviously I didn't get a new seal for here front. So what's happening now? Either for the shafts here or here, no new seal. Or for the main one here, where's the yoke, it has the old seal, alright? It's not on me. I asked to bring me new seals, and that's what they brought me, okay? Then, even the bolts, that's one use only, these are the old bolts, yay! And I have to open twice, lovely. Then, what do you see there? You see hydraulic fluid coming out from the seal. Why? Because this is the old seal. And the old seal, it's not like the Volkswagen, the DSG transmission that you can change only the cover. Has a bearing in the middle. We are talking about this seal. That's why I brought the transmission inside, because I received the seal, has an O-ring all around, and that's the seal. Will you open, please? And that's the seal that comes here in the middle. It's not been installed, the seal, because you have to push this bearing on the clutch pack inside, on the basket that has the clutches. Now, open it again and do it right. We can do that from the first place, by the way. If I had the seals from the first place, I don't have to spend my time. I can do something more, something different to move on, you know. When was everything out, instead of closing back with the old one, I can close back with a new one. But nobody listen, right? I don't care if you're not listening. Here I am. I'm gonna open it again. And most probably I have to make an adapter to be able to push the bearing inside. You cannot hit this cover, because you're gonna get wrapped, you're gonna get bent, and you're gonna start leaking. So you have to fix an adapter here to push it nicely in place. Nice. That's it. Let's start working. At this point I want to say this. You remember when I said that I don't have a way to check the condition of the clutches inside of the basket? This is the way. This is the reason why. Because this is welded. This has been welded all around, and I don't have a way to open the basket. The only thing what can I do is to come here and just make the clutches upside down. Up and down, sorry. What upside down? What the fuck are you talking about? Smell too much petrol, I think. Yeah, Tassos. Okay, that's it. I don't know the condition. I don't know if they're burnt, if they're black, or if I don't know nothing, because they're closed. It's being welded. I guess that this is changing as a unit. Let's put it back, clock it, and put it back in place, and then the seal. Now, this was the easy part, to put the seal in place. That was not the difficult part. First thing first, you see here that the gear for the pump, it's aligned, the knots are inside. When I spin it, it spins together, it spins nice, how it's supposed to spin. Alright, what's the difficult part? I'm gonna show you. This seal, the middle seal, it's pointing inwards. Alright, this lip, it has to point inwards, not outwards. And I don't have a sleeve to fit here. It might fit this one. I modified that and fit. Maybe. No, I'm not liking it. I know. Because all of them, they're bigger. Yay, lovely. Take it. My luck. I have to fix now one sleeve like this to be able to enter it inside properly. It has to come here. I need to measure it to see how much I have, it has to come face. Put it inside to be conical, to be like this, and then like this here, and slide the seal inside, avoiding having a contact with this step over there. I might make it thin there to have a transition, probably. Yeah, lovely. Plus, there is no stopper. It has to come face the seal. So if I push it more in, I'm F up. No, what F up? I'm fucked up. That's what I want to say. It has to come face. Yeah. Good luck. I'm gonna keep it dry, no Vaseline, no oil, no nothing, to be much more controllable, because if you put some Vaseline or some oil, it might end up to be sideways or more in, and then guess what? After that I have to remove it and put a new one. Lovely Beetle, Volkswagen Beetle. Now I can put the half shaft back in place, no need to be open anymore. I already checked the gear, it's fine. Yeah, let's see with what I'm gonna come up to. Let's go to the lathe, grab one piece of aluminum. Do I have any to modify it? I'm gonna find something, yeah. 1.5 hours later, I just came to get a cigarette. Okay, I fix that one. And let me show you what I'm doing now. A mess, yeah. I'm slicing this one now. Shit, you see? I forget something. I forget to test the other one inside here to see that it's okay. Screw it, fuck it. We're gonna see. Maybe we're gonna see. Let's go close. Yeah. Just got it. Some random numbers. Good luck. The irony. For 0.5 millimeter, I will be able to use this one. But this is the outer diameter. For 0.5 millimeter, it's shorter, it's smaller. So I grab this one. Let me spray some WD-40, because if it bites, it's gonna destroy everything. Here we go. I continue with the saw. Let's see what in hell I did. Shit, I cannot go inside the engine room like that. I have to clean myself. Dang it. Let's see what I have done. I haven't cleaned it. This is how I remove it. I mean, I blow with air to clean it. I didn't clean it, I mean the corners here, back, and these kind of things. It does this. Meanwhile, I measure it while it was hot. Now this, it's supposed to enter here inside. No, I didn't clean this slip here. Seriously? No way! I give 400 or 500 millimeter. That's how much clearance I give. Alright. It becomes like a airtight here and doesn't have oil on it. Dang it! Let me get it out. Yeah, I don't care about the finishing, how it's gonna be. I don't know when I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be. Just give me a minute to clean this side and clean also this one. And here I need to make one hole to breathe. Otherwise, yeah, you need to make one hole to breathe. Yeah, that's what it is. This one, it's supposed to come here, nice and tight. It's supposed to come. No, you know what? Screw it. Don't put it now inside. Don't put it now. Let's finalize it first and then. I have a reference, the old seal. I have the reference of the old seal here, and this is supposed to come like this out. Yeah. Right. And where it's stopping, that's how it's gonna be. Okay, let me take care of these two things and make one hole, like I said here. Yeah, 3 millimeters will be more than enough. And then I need to make also a stopper. No need a stopper. Yeah, I need to make a stopper. It stops there. It stops here. But why don't stop also this one inside, right? Why not? Just in case. Don't F up everything. And all this story for one stupid seal. Now, forget about this nice finishing outside, because we're gonna grab it on the lathe and we're gonna have 3 marks, 120 degrees apart. Same thing on this one. This I'm gonna be a little bit more gentle, because if I squeeze it too much, it's gonna come out of round, and after that, you're not gonna have a good clearance here. You're gonna have a support, right? Ooh, yeah, plenty of support to seal. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's do it to finalize it, to put the stupid seal. Now, that's how it looks like. I make one hole back here. That's how it looks like inside. I don't care how it looks like, honestly. All right. Take a look. It's the table and nice. When you raise it up. Now, if I was using this tool every day, I'm gonna make it out of chromoly. It's much harder to machine it. Aluminum, it's much easier, all right? But again, how many seals like this I'm gonna install, right? This is gonna be the first one and the last one, I guess. I hope to don't have another one, all right? So I don't care that much. Just a second, let me use both hands to put the seal inside. Okay, that's how it looks like. The seal is all gonna be here, and in theory it has to come inside. Now I'm gonna use a puller to mount it possibly on this bolt and on this bolt, to use it as a press, to be able to press it. That's the first thing. Second thing, because I want to stay this in place, I'm gonna use one spring internal to push always this cap. Now it's the time to put it inside. It's gonna stack. There you go. No, it's not stacking, it's fine. It's okay. All right. Okay. Now, there is, one second, I can pull it out, there's no problem. All right. This, it's for the seal. Yeah, I can make it here. I fucked up with the dimensions. I hope they're gonna pass. And I'm not gonna destroy the seal. Yeah, screw it. Why I'm doing it like that? Why I'm doing it like that? Right. Let's use this. Let's use this, because this is how it's supposed to be. That's why I did it like that. And I need to find one spring to put inside to have some tension, this, the inner one. And then just push it in. Easy to say, eh? Oh boy, good luck. There are so many things can go wrong here. Did it already pass? Let me see if it passed already. Let's see. Wow, no, it didn't pass. I took it out again. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Now I have to clean the seal. Yeah, and I have to clean also this one. Amazing. How smart I am. Dang it. That's it. Done. Face. Perfect. All around. Beautiful. Same like this one. Alright. How I did that. Some brackets. The puller. One ball bearing. This. Like that. Here. It was very easy actually to drive it in. Okay. Let me put my bolts back in place. Yeah, it's okay, it's easy, not bad. No, it's not hard at all. Let me take care now, let me put the tools back inside. Yay. Lovely. Where is it? It's not coming out? Precision, eh? That's it, that's the end. I'm giving to the guys to install it on the car. Over and out. I hope they don't come back again. I mean, from the seals we are okay, from the shaft we are okay, the unit is reading inside. Now what's remaining? If it has a leak from here, if it has a leak from here. I hope not. Or from the diff, because also here it's the old seal. We're gonna see, we're gonna find out. That's it with the Beetle, over and out. No need to be there anymore. I can make it down, I finish it. Going down, this nice table, you know. It's beautiful. instead of straggling down, you can make it up, down, whatever you want. Nice. That's it. Thank you.